How you do a Pinterest pin and send it up to your website. So let's say we've created this pin. I'm going to hit share and download, and I recommend using a JPEG because PNGs do not compress well. I use the Smush plugin that smushes the images automatically when I upload them, and it doesn't smush PNGs as well as JPEGs. So make sure you use a JPEG. You can bring the quality down some just so it's not so huge. The 1000 by 1500 is the Pinterest pin typical size. And I'm just going to grab that one page. So hit done and download. And then I'm going to go over to inside of WordPress. We're going to go to posts and we're going to look for a post that this belongs with. So this one goes with this draft. You would hit edit on that. And then I usually just put my Pinterest pins kind of down toward the bottom, kind of as like, hey, save this thing. So you would hit a plus where you want it to go, click image, upload, and here's the pin. Okay, so it comes in big, and we don't want it to be that big. Now, Smush, if you go to medium, makes it like too small. I don't like it that small. So I'm going to go ahead and do full size, and that is a big image, and it doesn't help you out a whole lot. But I'm going to say make it 350 wide, and we will right align it. Okay. And then I usually go into here into replace because I want to, I'm not really replacing it so much as I want to edit what it looks like. And I'm going to put the name of the article there. Okay, then I'm just going to copy that down. And then I usually put like save this reflection for later. And that's just going to put a caption on it so that it comes down right here. And that's pretty much it. And then you just publish it and view the post. Okay. Now, if you wanted, like I might want that lower, I might want them to see that just as they end up. So if I want to move that down, probably the easiest way to do it is come over here where you can see all the blocks that you're using. So that image right there is this block. So if I want to drag it down, I can. So now it's a little lower toward the end. And then save it.